Hi, Cleveland. It's Tracy Reinhardt from Yoga 108 School of Yoga down in the Valley, Akron, Ohio. And I'm super excited to be here today. How about Hike Yoga for their creativity and ingenuity that would put together such a great virtual festival for us this year. I'm really happy to be a part of it. And speaking of happy, the theme of this year's festival is happiness. So at first I was like, whoa, that's a pretty powerful word for the world order that we're living in right now. But after a little bit of thought, I was like, yeah, and it's perfect. We've got this new moon eclipse in Cancer, and Cancer is the mother womb of the zodiac sign. And so she is that birthing position. And she brings in all kinds of compassion, love and respect, and support and kindness, which is exactly what we need to birth right now in our society and really within ourselves as individuals. So the stars are aligned and we are on our way, destination happiness. And I'm really glad that you're here today and kind of joining in with that energetic opportunity. We at Yoga 108 School of Yoga really appreciate that anything that we'd like to see in the collective first has to be anchored in to each of us as an individual. And so the practices of yoga are really impactful for allowing us to go inside and do our healing work and do our growth work so that we can anchor in things like happiness and compassion and kindness and respect, right? So if each of us as an individual is showing up just like you are today, if each of us is showing up in our practice and doing this work, then it really looks optimistic for our collective, for our society, and for our world. So thanks for being here today. So down at Yoga 108 School of Yoga, we offer yoga classes, both Vinyasa classes and Kundalini yoga classes. We have a variety of workshops around your yogic lifestyle, like Ayurveda and Reiki. I offer a number of different yoga teacher training programs, both 200 and advanced. And the advanced program is really an exciting opportunity to join in a sangha, in a community for growth and well-being. And I'm really proud of all the teachers that have come through that program and have gone out to be really leaders in our community. So exciting there. And if you're not interested in a whole program, please check the website for continuing ed opportunities, because anatomy for yoga, philosophy, special topics such as yin and trauma-based, they're all on the calendar throughout the year. And please reach out to me if you don't see what you're looking for, because you know, we create together and I appreciate hearing from you. So a lot to check in. You're welcome to go to our website, www.yoga108school.com. You'll find links to all of our social media pages there. You'll find a little box to check to sign up for our weekly newsletter. And you'll see the whole schedule there. All of our classes right now and most of the trainings that are going on are offered online, and many are recorded. So even if you can't get down to the studio, you know, you have a way to connect and to stay in touch with us. And together we can not just walk step by step towards happiness, but with this powerful eclipse in the skies, we're just going to leap. We're just going to grow exponentially and support each other, and destination happiness. I'm glad you're traveling with me. Satnam. Satnam.